No matter your teaching style, the Samsung Interactive Display supports you. Here are 3 different ways to teach the same lesson. Let's say we're doing a hands-on lesson about electromagnetic waves. Teachers can use the board just as they would a static whiteboard by standing in front of the room and using the Note app on the display to draw out different types of waves. As an extra bonus, educators can split the screen between the Note app and another view. The split screen tool makes it easy to alternate between your notes and presentation without constantly opening and closing browsers. The second way to teach an engaging lesson about electromagnetic waves is to mirror your individual device screen onto the display. Educators can move freely throughout the room while maintaining control of the front of the classroom display. This allows teachers to check in on individual students and answer their questions. Finally, bidirectional casting on the Samsung Interactive Display allows teachers to broadcast the content on the screen to the individual devices of students. Use this feature to broadcast instructions for a classroom activity to students, as well as imagery of the different wave types so students can engage with the content on their own devices. The Samsung Interactive Display is a versatile teaching tool that any teacher or student can benefit from.